Hi guys, today I'm gonna do jerk chicken in the oven. So this is my chicken, whole chicken. I'm gonna get it chopped up and get it seasoned up for you guys. So guys, I finished chop up my chicken, so now I'm gonna add my vinegar in it. Add a little water. So let it sit for, well, give it 3 minutes. So I'm finished, so now I'm gonna season it up. So remember guys, earlier if you didn't watch the video, go on ahead and watch the video when I made my own jerk sauce. So here it is. And I'm gonna add it to it. There you have it. So I'm gonna let it sit overnight, and I'll see you guys tomorrow when I start cooking it. See you tomorrow. Bye. Hi guys, yes, so it's the next day now, so I'm gonna put the jerk chicken in the oven now, so well seasoned. So I'm gonna show you. Yep, so that's how my jerk chicken looks. So I'm gonna put it in the oven, and when it start cooking, I'll let you show you later on. So stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So yes guys, that's how it looks. So it's not finished yet, so I'm gonna turn it on the other side. Make it get a little coloring on that side too, so I'll show you the end result when it's totally finished, or at least that part catch. So I'm just gonna turn it around, and make it next size catch for another 5-10 minutes. So check it back later. Yes, that's the finishing touch. So hope you guys like my video. Please subscribe, like it. So the steam coming out. Just finished. Thanks.